Hello everyone, my name is Karunya Vaidya from EC branch. Today I am here to discuss about smart recycle bin. Introduction: revolutionizing waste management, unleashing the potential of smart recycle bins. Current challenges: waste management is a growing concern worldwide with overflowing landfills and inefficient recycling practices. Traditional recycle bins lack intelligence and monitoring capabilities, leading to contamination and ineffective sorting. Things calls for a smart solution to optimize waste management process. Introducing smart recycle bins. Smart recycle bins are innovative devices equipped with sensor, IoT connectivity, and data analytics capabilities. They enable real-time monitoring, accurate waste sorting, and automated alerts for collection. By technology, these bins revolutionize waste management, reducing contamination, increasing recycling rates, and promoting a sustainable future. Key features and benefits. Smart recycle bins offer several key features and benefits including sensor-based sorting, real-time monitoring, data-driven insights, contamination detection. In sensor-based sorting, ensuring accurate segregation of recyclable. Real-time monitoring, tracking fill levels and optimizing collection routes, data-driven insights, analyzing waste patterns for better resource allocation, contamination detection, preventing cross-contamination and improving recycling quality. These features enhance waste management efficiency, reduce cost and promote a greenery environment. Successful implementations. Numerous cities and organizations have already embraced smart recycle bins, achieving remarkable results. Example include City X increased recycling rates by 30% and reduced collection cost by 20%. Company Y achieved zero waste to landfill status and improved sustainability practice. These successful implementations demonstrate the tangible benefits and potential of smart recycle bins. Conclusion: smart recycle bins have the power to revolutionize waste management practice by leveraging technology and data analytics. These intelligent bins optimize waste sorting, reduce contamination, and promote a sustainable future. Embracing smart recycle bins can lead to increased recycling rates, cost saving, and a greener environment. Let's unlock the potential of smart recycle bins and transform waste management for a better tomorrow. Thank you.